Number 6 for CC March 2025. Disclaimer: this is video for documentary purposes only. Any questions and queries will not be entertained. So here we are to we are in the divisibility rules. The divisibility rules. Our topic for today is divisibility rules. So there are rules in divisibility. So a number is divisible by 2 if what? If the last digit is even. So what are even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on and so forth. So if the last digit is even, that is divisible by 2. Example, 4. So it is divisible by 2 because 4 is an even number. So 4, 6. So 6 is divisible by 2. 8 is divisible by 2. 10 is divisible by 2. 12 divisible by 2. 14 divisible by 2. 16. So that are even numbers. So example, 13,024 is divisible by 2 because 4 is even. So example, 5,502. So if this digit is 7, then it is divisible by 2. So again, a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is even. So 13,024, last digit is 4. So 4 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So another rules, a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is a multiple of 4. So number is divisible by 2 if the last two digit is multiple of 4. So example, 24,612. So is 12 is a multiple of 4? Yes. 12 divided 4 is equal to 3. So it is divisible by 4. So 4 times 3 is equals 12. So if it's 2 digit is divisible by 4, so or multiple of 4, so it is divisible by 4. So another is a number is divisible by 8. So number is divisible by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits, so the last 3 digits is a multiple of 8. So lastly, the 2 digits is a multiple of 4 if the 2 digits and now 3 digits were added. So the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Example is 201. So 2 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. So therefore 201 is divisible by 3. If the sum of 3 digits, for example 5, 428, 124, 120, so you can add it. 2 plus example is 201. So 2 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then if it is divisible by 3, therefore 201 is divisible by 3. So if the last 3 digit is the multiple of 8 rather, so the number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits is a multiple of 8. So example 32,888 is divisible by 8. So because 888 is multiple of 8. Okay. So another rule is a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So example is 201. So if it is divisible by 3, if the sum of 201 of 3, what are the digits of 201? 2, 0, and 1. So if we add 2, 0, and 1, 2 plus 0 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3, then it is divisible by 3. So therefore 201 is divisible by 3. So another is the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. So a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. For example 909. So 3 digits 909. So 9, 0, and 9. So if you can add 9 plus 0 plus 9, we come up to 18. So 18 is divisible by 9. So 18 by 9, 2. So it is divisible by 9 and multiple of 9. So therefore 909 is divisible by 9. So another rule is a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So example 468. So 8 is divisible by 6 because 8 is 7. So it is divisible by 2. And 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. Okay. So another is a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 5 or 0. So if the last digit is 5 or 0, then it is divisible by 5. For example 20,505, 20,500, 22,550, 1,905. If its last digit is 5 or 0, so therefore it is divisible by 5. So 30, 40, 50, 55, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 55, 40, 45, 50. So that's it. So another one is a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. For example, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, 100, 120. So it is divisible by 10. So example, 230 ends with 0. Therefore 230 is divisible by 10. Understand? Proceed to another topic. So here we are in multiples and factors. So multiples and factors. So what is factors? So factors, the factors of integer n are the positive integers that divide n with no remainder. So example 24. What are the factors of 24? So 24. Yes, 24 is a factor of 24. Why? Because 24 times 1 is 24. So and there is 1. Why? Because 1 times 24 is 24. Or 24 divided 24, 1. 24 divided 1 is 24. So another is factors are 12. So 2. So 24 divided 12, that is 2. 24 divided 2, that is 2. 6, 4, 8, and 3. That are the factors of 4. 24 times 1, 12 times 2, 6 times 4, and 8 times 3. So 24, the factors of 24 are 24, 1, 12, 2, 6, 4, 8, and 3. So here we go in multiples. Multiples, what is multiples? So the multiples of n are the integers that n divides into with no remainder. So example 24. So what are the multiples of 24? So the multiples of 24 is 24. 48, 72, 96, and 120. So example 24. So if the smaller number is a factor of another number, the bigger number is a multiple of the smaller number. Example 3 is a factor of 18. Therefore, 18 is a multiple of 3. 18 times 3. 6 times 3, 18. So 18 is multiple of 3. 18 by 3 times 6, 18. So factor. Therefore, 18 is a multiple of 3. So prime factorization. So let's go to prime factorization. So 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. So what is prime number? So prime number are numbers whose factors are 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. So not all odd numbers are prime numbers. So what are odd numbers? Example is 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 26, 23, 20, 25, 25, 27. So that are odd numbers. The only even number that is prime is number 2. So the prime number is numbers whose factors are 1 and itself. So 2, what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. What are the factors of 3? 1 times 3. What are the factors of 5? 1 times 5. So composite number. So composite numbers are numbers with more than 2 factors. So example are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. That are composite numbers because there are more factors. There have more factors. So prime factorization. So prime factorization is the process of expressing number as a product of prime numbers. Find two numbers as product is the given number. So when defining factors, if the first factor of the given number until all factors are prime numbers. So continue the process. What are the prime factors of 24? Find two numbers that have the product of 24 when multiplied. So, example 24, what are the factors of 24? So, 24, 6 times 4. So, 6 times 4. So, what is the factors of 6? So, 3 times 2 equals 6. And 4, what are the factors of 4? 2 times 2, 4. So, what are the factors of 3? So, So 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 is equals to 6 times 3 equals what are the factors of this? You may have different person factors. Initially, but you will end up with the same set of prime factors. What are the factors of 3 is 2. Stop. So here we go to less common multiple. What is the least common? What is its meaning of less common multiple? So what is the smallest possible number that can be possible number that can be divided by a given number. For example, write down the multiples of its number. So what are the multiples of 12? What is the LCM of 12? What are the multiples of 12? 4. 12 between 1, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72 to 15. So 15, 30, 45, 60, and 75. Times 12, 12 times 1, 12, 12 times 2, 24, 2 times 3, 36. So checking from common, in this case, it's 60. So 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. So 72. What is the multiple? Common multiple is same as 60. 12 and 15, the common, the LCM is 60. Then is 60. So method 2. Get the prime factors of its numbers. So 12. What are the prime factors? 2 times 2 is equals to 4 times 12. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. So write the common factors only once, then write all the remaining factors. 12 times 2 times 3, 5 times 3, so 3 times 2 times 2 times 5. So 60. Multiply 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. 360. The answer is 6. Then next. So here we go to greatest common factors. Greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor is the largest possible divisor of the given numbers. To write down all the factor of each number. Example 12. What are the factors of 12? 12 is 12 times 1, that is 3 times 4, 2 times 6, 4, 2 times 6. So factors are 12, 1, 3, 4, 2, and 6. So 15, what are the prime factors of 15? So 1 times 15 and 3 times 5. So factors are 1, 15, 3, and 5. So check for the common factors. So 12, 1, 12, 12, 1, 3, 4, 2, 6. 15 is 1, 15, 3, and 5. So what are the greatest common factor is number 3. Okay. So next lesson is the integers. So what is integers? What are integers? So integers comprise the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So under corresponding negative values, as well as the number 0. So that are integers. So negative 1, 2, negative 3, negative 4. So that are integers. So operations of integers: addition, like signs. So add the numbers if like sign, add the numbers and then copy the sign. Example 12 plus 5. So positive 12 plus 5, positive 5 is the same sign. So just add and then copy the sign. 12 plus 5 is equals to 17. So both numbers are positive. So if both numbers are negative, so we can negative. So unlike signs, like signs, get the difference of the numbers, put the sign of the bigger number. So put the sign of the number. Example, negative 12 plus 5. So negative 12 plus 5 is equal to 12 minus 7. So the difference of 12 and 5. So copy the sign of negative 12 since it is bigger number. So example is 12 plus negative 5. So change the sign. Minus 12 minus 7. Minus 5 equals 7. Get the difference of 12 and 5. Copy the sign of the 12. Since this is the bigger number. Okay. So another is subtraction integers. Subtraction of integers. Change the sign of the second number. Proceed to addition. So 12. Example negative 12 minus negative 5. Change the sign of the second number to then proceed to addition. So negative 12 plus positive 5. So apply the rules in adding unlike signs. So 12 minus 5. 12 plus 5, that is 12 minus 5. That is 17. So string of numbers. So combine like signs to form a single term for each sign. Example 9, negative 9 plus 8, negative 7 plus 6 minus 5 plus 4 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So combine all the positive. So positive 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2. So equals 20. Negative is negative minus negative 25. 9 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 7, that is 16. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 4, that's 25. So negative 25. The example is 6 plus 3 minus 4 minus 7 plus 4 minus 11 plus 2. So combine like sign 6, 3, 2. 6, 3, 4, 2. Is 12, 15. So negative 7, negative 4, negative 11 equals negative 22. 15 minus 22 is equal to negative 7. So we go to multiplication and division. So multiplying or dividing like signs is equal to positive integer. So, like signs, if we divide it and or multiply it, so the answer is positive, is always positive. Example, 9 times 8, all positive 8 plus positive 8 equals positive 72. Negative 8 times negative 8, so always positive 72. So both positive, both negative, positive. Both negative equals positive, both negative is equal positive. Multiplying or dividing unlike signs is equals to negative no integer. So negative times negative, negative times positive is negative. Negative times positive is negative. 9 times negative 8, negative 72. So negative 9 times 8, also negative 72. So another topic, time check. Time check is 8:51. There are 9 minutes left. Let's proceed to PEMDAS. What is the meaning of PEMDAS? PEMDAS means parenthesis, the orders of operation. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So series of operations, PEMDAS. Step 1. Perform operation in parentheses and other grouping symbols. Step 2. Solve for the expressions involving exponents. Step 3. Do not do multiplication and division in order to occur, that is from left to right. Step 4. Solve the addition and subtraction operations in order to occur, that is from left also and to right also. Example, 3 parentheses negative 3 plus 5 the power of square the power of 2 plus 4 times 6 minus 6 divide 3. So number 1 is the parenthesis. So the inside in parentheses. So negative 3 plus 5 is inside in parentheses. So we can start substituting the value. So 3 minus 5, 3 plus 5, negative 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. Square is equal to 2. So next is the parentheses. So 2 square is parentheses. So we have to square the 2, 4. Evaluate exponent 4. So next is the multiplication or division. So the division is 3 times 4. 4 times 2. Get 6 divided 3, which comes to 2. So multiply and divide the number. So next is addition. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 minus 2 equals 18. So, the positive and the negative numbers. That's all for the PIMDAS, or the under the series of operations. So next, proceed to the decimals. Time check is 5:56. 4 minutes left. So last decimals, operation on decimals. Addition. Write the numbers vertically. So align the decimal points. To add or subtract numbers. Then place the point in the answer. Example is 102.3 plus 1.76. So align the decimal point. 2.3, then 1.76 is equal to 104.06. Then minus example number 2. So 102 minus 3. 102.3 minus 1.76. So again, then this 2 minus 1. So the 1054. This 200. So 109 200. So time that is 59 plus 1 minute. So multiplication, multiply the numbers like whole numbers. Put a decimal point in the appropriate place value. Number of decimal places. What's the sum of the number of decimal places in all the factors? 5.6 times 2.3. Multiply numbers like numbers. Then count the number of decimal places in both factors. Gusto mo ako na din asan. So, finish.